We are making creamy melon smoothie bowl. And for this, you're only gonna need 7 ingredients. To our blender, we are going to add 1 cup of frozen melon, half a cup of frozen peaches, 1 cup of frozen mangoes, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and 2 tablespoons of sunflower butter, and a splash of milk. The source of fat is sunflower butter and chia seeds. This will help to slow down the absorption of natural sugars and help to keep us fuller a little bit longer. While it's blending, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of green spirulina. Place your smoothie onto the bowl and you can top it with fresh berries or granola. I decided to leave it as is. It's a very creamy and naturally sweet smoothie bowl everyone will enjoy.